Hello everyone, my name is Anne Nurminen. I'm 22 years old and I represent Finland in the Miss World competition. I live in Helsinki and I have just graduated from university, so I now have a bachelor's degree on business-to-business sales. On my free time I like to do kickboxing, also I love to cook, like to sing too. I was so organized when I was packing my stuff to come to China. I bought two plug adapters and I came here. Well, the plug adapters go well to the Chinese plugs, but the thing is that my Finnish plugs are too thick for them, so I can't use any of them. And I'm looking forward to experiencing and traveling around China. I'm really happy to be here. And I would just like to say a few words to all the Finnish people watching. Terveiset kaikille suomalaisille, etenkin äitille ja isälle. Ihanaa olla täällä.